Hello everyone, I am Aina, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science. Today we are going to discuss about the topic DBMS, that is Database Management System. Database Management System. Before we enter into the topic Database Management System, we have to know about what is data. Data is a collection of information that is happening around the world. So, to organize the data, we need to find a concept that is known as database. Database is a collection of interrelated data which is used to retrieve, insert and delete the data efficiently. Before I said to organize the data, we have a concept that is database. So data is organized in the form of table, schema, views, reports, etc. So consider an example, that is we have a college database. In this college database, the data is organized and the data will be about admin, staff, students, faculty, etc. So using database, you can easily retrieve data, then insert data, delete data, etc. Next concept is database management system. Database management system is a software to manage the database. Already I said database is a collection of interrelated data. To organize that database, we have a software called Database Management System. And these two examples, that is MySQL and Oracle, are very popular commercial database which is used in different applications. Database Management System also provides an interface to perform various operations like database creation, storing data, updating data, also creating a table in the database and lot more. So it provides various operations like data creation, storing, updation, creating table. It also provides protection and security to the database. So basically, database management system is a software which manages the database. Next, we move on to the characteristics of DBMS. That is, there are various characteristics followed by database management system. The first one is it uses a digital server to store and manage the information. It uses a digital server to store and manage the information, and it also provides clear and logical view of the process that manipulates data. Then next one is it contains an automatic backup and recovery procedures so that if any failure occurs, the data will not be lost. Then it also contains asset properties, which is very important, which maintain a data in a healthy state in case of failure. Asset properties contain atomicity, consistency, isolation and durability. These properties help the data to maintain a healthy state in case of failure. Then it also reduces the complex relationship between data. Then it supports manipulation and processing of data. It also provides security of data, and it can view the database from different viewpoints according to the requirements of users. So basically these are the characteristics of database management system. Next, the advantages of database management system. These are the advantages of database management system. First one is controls database redundancy. Redundancy means duplication. So the first advantage of database management system is it can control data duplication, which is also known as data redundancy, because it stores all the data in one single database file and its recorded data is placed in the database. So it controls database redundancy. Then next advantage is data sharing. Data sharing means in database management system, the authorized users of an organization can share the data among multiple users in the organization. And the third advantage is easily maintenance. It can be easily maintained due to the centralized nature of database system. It have a centralized nature, so the database can be easily maintained. Then the fourth one or next advantage is reduced time. It reduces the development time and the maintenance needed time. Both development time and maintenance time is very low in case of database management system. And in next one is backup. Already I mentioned that it provides backup and recovery subsystem which creates automatic backup of data from hardware and software failures and restore the data if required. So it have a backup process which help the data to get recovered. Then the last advantage is multiple user interface. It provides different type of user interfaces according to the user requirements like graphical user interface, application process interface, etc. So these are the basic advantages of database management system. So before we talk about the advantages of DBMS, so we have to talk about the disadvantages of DBMS. The first one is cost of hardware and software. As it requires high speed of data processor and large memory size to run the DBMS software, the cost of hardware and the software is very high. So this is the most important disadvantage of DBMS. And next one is size. Since it occupies large space of disk and large memory to run, it needs a large size of space. So this is the another disadvantage of DBMS. Next one is complexity. Complexity means the database system creates additional complexity and requirements which makes the another disadvantage of database management system. And the last disadvantage of database management system is higher impact of failure. Higher impact of failure means in most of the organization all the data stored is in a single database. So if any damage caused in the database or due to any electric failure or database corruption, then the data will be lost forever. So these are the disadvantages of database management system. So let's conclude the topic, that is the summary. First I explain what is data. That is, data is a collection of information in real world. Then I explained about database. Database is a collection of interrelated data and which we can be used to manage or organize the data, and we can also easily retrieve, insert and delete the data using database. And database management system is a software which uses to manage the database. Then I explained the characteristics of database management system, then advantages and disadvantages of database management system. So I hope you all understand about database management system. Thank you.